Wow, finally Terra Classic token have hit $1 billion market cap. Remember, Terra Classic in the past few days have been trading below 1 billion. Even Terra Classic market cap dropped down to $680 million, and today Terra Classic market cap have hit over $1.078 billion. It's amazing to see people are pumping in money. It's amazing to see people are buying Terra Classic and people are holding. Holders are not even selling because people believe that Terra Classic is going to pump. Nobody wants to miss the pump of Terra Classic next year 2023. Well, I still believe, of course, with the Binance support, and now Coinbase might be coming in to list and to support Terra Classic. We are expecting an increase in price, an increase on market cap. Terra Classic is going to become one of the biggest coins. Already in 2022, Terra Classic is one of the biggest coins of 2022. When you take a look at statistics, people search more about Terra Classic, and Terra Classic really gained a lot of attention in 2022. Well, some people believe that the 1.2% tax bond also contributed to Terra Classic massive pump, because the news about what the Terra Classic burning also lead to people buying coins, buying Terra Classic coin in order to really make a lot of money once Terra Classic start pumping. And I believe, of course, hitting over $1 billion today is amazing, because Terra Classic have hit about $1.078 billion. That's about extra $280 million have been added within the past 24 hours. Well, to me, I think that market cap at $1 billion, we are expecting Terra Classic to hit back at $2 billion. Earlier, few months ago, Terra Classic market cap hit over $2 billion, and then we also saw a massive pump on Terra Classic. And Terra Classic was ranked among the top 35 crypto coins with the highest market cap before dropping, lost about $1.38 billion. But today, Terra Classic have started increasing. The market cap is increasing. People are coming in back. People are coming to invest. People are coming to buy more. And I believe with this, of course, we are expecting an increase in price. We're expecting Terra Classic soon is going to pump, and many more other people are going to come in to support Terra Classic token. Remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.